Peaceful voting was conducted during the Panchayat polls in Jalandhar and Kapurthala here today on Sunday, December 14. Voting was conducted across 1,209 booths in Jalandhar, and for which 669 candidates contested for the Zilla Parishad and Block Samiti polls in the Jalandhar district. Over 8 lakh voters decided the fate of 669 candidates in Jalandhar. In Kapurthala, voting took place at 661 booths. Uh, Voting remained largely eventful and peaceful across these two districts, except some minor glitches which were reported in Jalandhar. In Jalandhar, 21 Zilla Parishad and 11 Block Samiti zones went to polls today. There were two boycotts reported in Jalandhar, one at Navi Abadi in Nagar in Philor, and another at Takka Basti in Lohia Khas Shahkot. These are not villages in themselves. Navi Abadi and Takka Basti are sub-zones of the villages. Takka Basti falls under Gatamundi Kasu and Navi Abadi under Nagar at Philor. So about 200 to 300 residents of these twin villages boycotted the polls. And at the Sikandarpur village in Jandu Singha, voting was also stalled for at least 2 hours today after wrong ballot papers were issued at one of the booths. Because Sikandarpur village also exists under the Chulang zone, there was a confusion regarding the ballot papers, and they got mixed up. So the voting remained stalled, and the sad candidate at Jandu Singha also held a brief protest or a demonstration on the issue, but voting was peacefully resumed after the 2 hour glitch. And at Kapurthala, until the voting concluded, 44% voting was reported in Kapurthala district across 10 zones of the Zilla Parishad and 88 zones of 5 block samitis. 661 booths of Kapurthala went to polling. As per preliminary reports, both in Jalandhar and Kapurthala, the voting percentage is pretty lesser as compared to the Panchayat polls in 2018. Officials said a weekend holiday or the chill might have been the reason for reduced voting in the twin districts, but scrutiny is still on, and there might be tentative revisions of the voting percentage in both the districts. With camera person Sarabjit Singh, this is Aparna Banerjee from the Tribune in Jalandhar.
As expected, the polling percentage remained thin in the Zilla Parishad and Panchayat Samiti elections held today. It was foggy day and a large number of weddings were scheduled for the day. Meanwhile, the situation remained tense in Muxar district, especially the Gidadbaha assembly segment, where the repoll has been ordered in Babania and Madir villages. Here, the allegations of booth capturing were leveled against the AAP leadership. Further, the situation was tense at Chakgilzewala village in Gidadbaha, in Deonkheda village in Lambi. In Deonkheda village, SAD Chief Sukhveer Singh Badal went to a polling booth to inspect the situation. In Barnala district at Raisar Patiala village, the repoll has been ordered because there was some mistake on the ballot papers. A tragic incident was reported in Moga district where a man and his wife who were going to perform their poll duties at different locations, they met with a road mishap. Their car fell into a water channel and they both lost their lives. Meanwhile, some violent incidents were reported in Bathinda, Firozpur, and some other districts as well. However, the situation was by and large peaceful. No major incident was reported anywhere. I am Archit Watts from the Tribune.
Good evening, viewers. So today the elections for the Zilla Parishad and Panchayat Samiti were held in Punjab. In Ludhiana, the polling percentage till 4 o'clock was around 35%. But since the queue of villagers were still there, the Deputy Commissioner the District Electoral Officer says that it would go up to 42 to 43% by 6 o'clock. So except for 2-3 incidents, the polls went peacefully in Ludhiana. In Badowal area, tension prevailed in the morning. when some of the voters said that their names were cut from the voting list. And it was only after the intervention of the Deputy Commissioner that the supplementary list was sent again, and they were able to cast their votes. In Dhaka area, last night, an FIR was lodged against an independent candidate when AAP candidate had alleged that he was attacked by the independent candidate. While the elections went peaceful in all other areas, regarding the low turnout of the voters, the villagers said that Adda Pind te chala gaya hai bahar. Most of the youths have gone abroad with their parents, and these elections are not that important as compared to Vidhan Sabha elections. So hardly anybody comes back to cast their vote during the Zilla Parishad or Panchayat Samiti elections. Specifically in Mullapur Dakha area, Mr. Manpreet Ayali, the rebel from Shiromani Akali Dal, looked very confident as he claims that all the 3 seats for Zilla Parishad and 18 to 19 out of total 25 block Samiti members would be grabbed by his independent candidates. So the result would be declared on December 17th. Till then, the fate of the candidates is sealed. With cameraman Ashwini Dhaman, this is Shivani Bhakku for Tribune.